extreme programming means programming. In programming, what will we do? We initialize code, if we provide input and give output, right? But in agile process, what will be happening? Extreme. Extreme means extreme programming. Anyone know extreme? In extreme programming, what will we do? In extreme programming, we are working on object-oriented model. In object-oriented model, you already studied in second year or first year OOPS concept. In OOPS concept, object-oriented model. In object-oriented model, we are working on functions. Object-oriented model are mainly work on functions, not a structured language. We are working on functions. In functions, what inside this function will be required? Suppose this for this class, what will be required? Benches, chairs, ACs, fans. These are required. For this requirement, what we have been using function to initialize this data, right? For that initializing data, we will working in a extreme condition. Means we use agile process because this process is not fixed. It will be changing according to requirement. We are set in that is in a initial stage. What will be required in initial stage? After that, some other step, and you will say we have to put ACs, speakers, blackboards, projector, right? The requirement will be changing now, right? Because first we initialize needed data like abstractions. Abstraction we use it. In abstraction we use needed data. After that needed will be complement, or after that what will happen? We are using polymorphism, means their requirement will be changing, right? So there in that extreme programming we will use the object oriented approach. In extreme programming is lightning-weight. It will be light, means it working on a simple way. Lighted weight is working on a simple way, not in complex way. It will be working on some simple, easy to understand, easy to manage in every places. Is manageable to everyone. If user will be not easily understand, we have to implement a project that according to user we can easily implement that requirements. We have to implement that way. In extreme programming, they are mainly work on 5 phases: communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect. Communication. In communication, we are gather data from customers. In that customers communication, we have gathered data. So in that data, we will easily understand what customer required to. They have to implement one model, and which kind of model they implement. In that implement, what type of data they needed. In that needed, what way can be used for implementing that type of data. We have communicate with all data in this process. In this process, we need documentation. But in software, in waterfall model, we are get adapted to documentation. But in the documentation, we can once data will be fixed, they are not changing. But in this case, agile process, once the documentation also completed, we have to able to change the documentation. But first of all, we have to neatly and clearly understand that documentations in this phase. For in that phase, what we use? Communication. In communication, we will use interact with customers, requirement, customer put their opinion, we will put our opinion to customers to communicate with each other to a better understanding of model, right? This is our first phase. Second one is simplicity. It's easy to understand customer. It look like easy. I already told you one example like your college ID card. in your college ID card they are providing less amount of data without specification. It will not be easy to manage. Like how will we understand the other student? We will be present in AID sections or the other section. What is your roll number? Right? The only name you are. If suppose your name is other Nisha or anything.